If your X, Twitter, location is showing your exact country and you want to change it, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy way to switch it to a wider region instead. Just follow each step carefully. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the app, go straight to your profile. Under your bio, you'll see your join date. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to a page where your account's location information is displayed. Now, look at the top and tap the settings icon. Here's the important part. You'll see an option that lets you change your location display from showing your exact country to showing a general region instead. Switch from Use Country to Use Region/Continent. Once you do that, your profile will no longer reveal your precise country. Instead, it will show a wider region like North Africa, South Asia, and other broad zones. And just a heads up, this is the best method available right now because X confirmed in their latest update that fully hiding your location is no longer possible. So, switching to a region is the only way to make your location less specific. And that's it. After doing this, your X profile will show a general region instead of your exact country. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.